Okay, here's the different plants in the rainforest. It's all the El Yunca stuff. And did you know so here we are here, this is Puerto Rico, see it? And that's the rainforest where we're at. We landed on our cruise line. See if you can see where San Juan is. That's where our boat is. And that's Puerto Rico.
Oh look, there's a zoo. I didn't know there was a zoo.
And let's see what El Yunca means. Here. This is El Yunca. It means lovely views, rushing water. We're gonna see some stuff. Open it. We're going to see some rainforest here in a minute. And some waterfalls.
This is the waterfall.
Yeah. And where are you? You're in a tropical forest. Okay, and here we are. Okay, can we look at Puerto Rico, please? You just passed it, please. Okay, there's Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico's right
there.
here.
There you go. See it?
Yeah.
Show Florida.
Florida would be right here.
Right, there you go. Okay. And
so we traveled all the way over here.
That's right, we sure did. Okay.